Hello and welcome everybody. Aurora stock on 28th November. So let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's go. So since we go for 1 day updates, it's going to be also related to 1 to 0 financial level. So that's going to be about 1 USD here, and here's going to be about 13 USD. So that's going to be a difference on 12 USD. And if we went for 1 week update, it's going to be a smaller in size, okay, wideness smaller in wideness, okay, and this can give us a result for the increase in this shape, okay. That what I can exactly think in my mind about what would happen on ACB stock or what is called Aurora stock. Hope you benefit from this video.